Hello everybody, welcome to the Majestic Food channel. Today is video number 2 of the home cooking series. Today we're going to show you how to make a fried fish the restaurant way in your own house. This is a Moroccan tradition. My mother-in-law, she have a secret recipe to use that. Before we go to the kitchen, we're gonna take you to a small tower of a local Moroccan local traditional market, so you can see all the vegetables, all the fruits, and all the fishes and all the stuff. And then we can go to the kitchen and check out the recipe. So stay tuned and let's take a tour. Let's go. So as you can realize here, even the COVID-19 situation, we have a lot of varieties of fruit and vegetables. They all fresh, locally harvested. As you can see, all kind, all colorful, all good qualities. As you can see, we are forgetting about the beautiful olive that's kind of from spicy to blind to plain to green to black, all colors, all kind of shape, and all kind of taste. As you can see, it's very crowded. People don't wear a mask. They have no precautions, as you can see over here. All the greens, all the radish, all the turnips are here fresh and good to go. They are locally daily harvest, as I can mention before. Look at the apples. They are like in a big huge quantity you can choose. This guy over here, he have some special fruits they can show us. You have like a dry fig and dry dates. As you can see, those are my favorite fruits of all time, especially the flat one at the top you will see in a moment. They are very sweet and very healthy. This one here is a dry fig. You can see the green piece over here. You choose with your hand. You can, I mean, it's like, as you can see, there are small quantity. Even the buttermilk is in the bottles here. It is like freshly made, and the mints and everything is the tomato you can see here is all kind, all shape, all red, all ready to eat, all good qualities. You can see it's shiny. The artichoke, the zucchini, the pumpkins, everything is every day is ready. You can see here the cabbage, the fava beans, the greenlands. Yeah, everything is on the floor. You can just choose with your hand. I like the way they stack the carrot like that still with the vegetables. Now let's go to the fish market. Right now it's very limited because of coronavirus. As you can see, they have some fresh daily catch. As you can see, octopus, calamari, some lobster, some royal jumbo shrimp and regular shrimp, flounders, whitening. Everything here you need is over here. A small market, but everything is ready. Even the fish egg is here. You can see everything is fresh. Oh my god, I miss this with snapper, the red snapper. Everything you can choose with a cheaper price. So let's go to the kitchen now and make some delicious food. Let's check it out. Before we get to the fish, we're gonna prep some rice dish accompanied with vegetables like zucchini, turnip, carrots, green and red pepper, and celery, and a bowl of rice. It's gonna be the second dish accompanied with fish, so that's replace the french fries or anything else, so it's gonna be more. So first of all, my mother-in-law is gonna put a warm water in the pot. As you can see, a warm water, I never heard that before. It's her secret recipe to make some nice rice. You can see with a bowl of rice, the basics is 2 bowls of water, and she gonna add a little bit of more water, like a half bowl. So she said because the rice is a little bit hard, so it can be more faster to boil and more fluffy and nice to cook. As you can see, she can add more rice over there, and in a warm water. I mean, I never see that before. You basically put cold water on the, and then she's gonna put 2 bay leaves over there to make it more aromatic and more flavorful. She's gonna add more Now she gonna stir it and let it steam for a few minutes. And after that, you're gonna heat up some oil and add on all the vegetables one by one. As you can see here, she's gonna have some advice to tell you. She added celery first, and then she gonna add the zucchini, the turnip, the carrots. After that, and she gonna leave the red and green pepper at the end because she said it's faster to cook and the other vegetables are taking longer to cook, so she leave the pepper to the end because it's cooking quickly and faster. She can add anything else, just a little bit of water and oil, and that's it. So you can just stir it, and she can add all the ingredients at the end when the dish is ready. And without forgetting, she gonna cut one piece of garlic on the top of the vegetables to make it more flavorful and aromatic. As you can say, it's more like antidote to, I mean, for human immunity. And after the rice is boiling, and she's gonna give it a little bit stirring, a gently stir, not a hard one, and that's what help to the grains to separate each other. And she's gonna leave it boil for a few more minutes. As you can see, the vegetables as well is start, and then she's gonna add the red and green pepper to the mixture and stir it a little bit to make it more even cooking. After a few minutes of boiling, she's gonna put the rice in the colander to make it dry. It's like a half cook or half parboiled, as you can see here. And she's gonna clean it with the cold water, not in the beginning, but in the middle of the cooking process. She's gonna add cold water, clean it to take off all the starch from the rice, and so that make it more fluffy. And the grains gonna be separated. The grains gonna be individually cooked evenly. And you can see she's gonna add more warm water to the pot and make it boil again. And now she gonna add some ingredient to the vegetable mixture, as you can see here. She keep all her ingredients in a plastic bag, tight and closely tight, so she can preserve all the flavor and the warmness of the ingredient inside those bags. That's her secret. First of all, she can add a spoon or two of black pepper, as you can see. Then she can add more ginger over there, and then you can see here she can add some turmeric. That's what gives it the yellow color at the end of the rice. You can see the rice is gonna become yellow when she mix it up. 2 spoons of turmeric, As you can see, it's freshly homemade and handmade ingredient, nothing artificial. Chicken aid, the only one artificial is the cube, the flavor cube, like a chicken, or oh, that's ghee. That's a ghee flavor cube. And a little spoon of thyme will make it more flavorful and more aromatic. A touch of salt depending on your taste. And then the final touch, you can add a spoon or two of tomato paste, as you can see here. We'll give it a red orange color at the end. So you're gonna give it a stir and mix everything together to become all in one place. After a nice steam, our beautiful rice is finally ready. As you can see, the grain are separated, it's fluffy. The best rice I have ever seen. If I've ever seen the rice like that, look at the grains, they are like separated from each other, which is perfect rice. She will give it a stir so it can stuck in the pot after it is ready, and she's gonna heat down all the mixture together and turn on off the heat. Look at that beautiful rice. Now she's gonna add all the vegetables to the mixture and mix it together to make it blend together. And now it's action time. As you can see, we can make a sauce to dip or to marinate the fish in it, make it more spicy and flavorful. First of all, you're gonna start garnish some garlic to make it more even a garlic paste or a minced garlic paste. As you can see here, everything is handmade, everything is no machines, no nothing, just use her hand. As you can see here, garlic is ready, and you're gonna add on some lemon juice. As you can see here, she cut the lemon in half. She used a knife to squeeze, to help squeezing the lemon juice the more, so that extract everything, all the lemon juice from the actual lemon. As you can see, she helped to take the knife to take the seed off, and then she helped look at all the juice coming out of the lemon. It's very juicy and very fresh. Now a spoon of cumin, as you can see, ground cumin, and then she can add more ingredient on it to make it more flavorful. You can see here 2 spoons of paprika, red paprika. That's what give it the golden color. You can see at the end, you can see the golden color coming from. A little bit of spicy chili, as you can see. It depends on your taste. It is no measurement, no secret things. Just mixture, and then she's gonna put some vegetable oil on it. That's what secret she said, to make it more crispier and more crunchy, as you can see here. Using a little spoon, you can see she can put everything mixture together to become all one paste. She's She's gonna add on a little bit salt, a touch of salt as usual. Not that much. It's depend on your taste. And put everything to the mixture to make it even more flavorful and more tasty. Look at that beautiful red sauce. It's time for the fish to be added, to be marinated. First, you're gonna start with the flounder. As you can see here, fresh flounder from the market. And you're gonna put it on the sauce and marinate it for a few minutes to make sure everything is. Use your hand to make sure everything is mixed up together. Look at that. Look at that beautiful fish. Oh, one is jumping out. It's still alive. No, it's just because this bowl is small and all the fish come out from the small. As you can see here, she marinates all the fish together to make it. She uses her hand to make sure everything is marinated evenly over there. For the melon or whitening, she just clean it up with the water. It's already cleaned up. It's already good to go. She's gonna marinate it again with the same sauce. She's gonna marinate all the fish. You see, a little small amount of sauce is gonna marinate all this fish. As you can see here, everything is gonna be mixed up together nicely and evenly with this little small quantity of sauce. And now here she can add some flour to a plate so she can, that's gonna be the dip in before the fish goes to the oil. And she got a funny way to use the whitening. She can put the tail in the mouth so she can form a kind of ring, as you can see here, like a donut. Look at that. She added the tails, the fish tails, to her mouth. Look at that. Isn't that funny? Make it like a form of donut. She dip it in the flour before it goes to the oil. For the flounder, she just dip it in the flour, like, both sides, rub it with her hand to make sure all the flours are going in, and that's it. in a hot oil, she's gonna put all the fish at the same time, like one by one, and she's gonna cook it evenly, as you can see. And she does her experience to know which one is ready, which one is not. That's a basic fried fish. After the fish is ready, she can put it in a plate with the paper with napkins. So all the napkins is help to filter or to absorb all the extra oil that's in the fish, which make it more dry, more healthy to eat, and less greasy. So after that, everything almost ready. Oh, look at the light golden fish, crispy, crunchy, and soft from the inside. Look at the beautiful fish. Look at that. It smelled incredible and smelled delicious. So now it's time to eat. So that's the final result. Look at this colorful golden brown, crispy, delicious fish accompanied with a fresh chopped salad. As you can see here, everything is fresh. This is the rice that I was speaking about. Look at that decoration. It's like good without forgetting about the olive, the spicy olive to complete the dishes. And without a homemade bread, it's not a good meal. So this is delicious. This is nice with some sliced orange with cinnamon for a dessert. I wish you liked this video, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, and again, bon appetit.